You can start.
Hello, good evening, everyone. We Pharma Intelligence in association with Amrutvani College of Pharmacy welcome you all for this wonderful session on how to prepare for GATB, that is Ceeb. Ceeb means combined entrance examination for biotechnology. Today we have speaker from Ceeb 2019 All India Rank 5, Miss Sanjivani Pathak. So I welcome you all for this session. And before session gets started, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to faculty from Amrutvani College of Pharmacy, that is Professor M.J. Chavan, Principal of AUCOP Sangamner, Professor Rishikesh Veris, Head of Pharmacology Department and GPAT Preparation Department of Amrutvani College, Professor Sanket Kalmeg, Aluminum Coordination Department, Amrutvani College, for generously helping us to make this session uh, for for students of Amrutvani College of Pharmacy and other students. This is our third toppers talk series. We are bringing toppers to guide students for preparation of competitive examination like GPAT and CEEP. So today's our session is on CEEP, that is Combined Entrance Examination for Biotechnology. So now I hand over session to the Professor Sanket Kalmek for intro session of our speaker. Sir.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon to one and all. It's a glorious moment to extend my warm wishes on the behalf of Amrutvani College of Pharmacy, Sangamner. I, Professor Sanket Kalme, alumni in charge, Amrutvani College of Pharmacy, welcome all the delegates for present this webinar. I want to convey my heartfelt gratitude towards Dr. M.J. Chavan and Pharma Intelligence team. Pharma Intelligence is the initiative taken by the alumni of Amrutvani College of Pharmacy, Mr. Ajit Kotkar and his friend Sanjay Malge. Uh, Under the guidance of Principal Dr. M.J. Chavan, on the auspicious 15 August Independence Day, college has started the Toppers Talk series, and up till now we have successfully completed the two Toppers Talk sessions. In that, on 15 August we have arranged the first Topper Talk series with Vaibhav Hegde, All India Rank 3 for GPAT aspirants, and on 6 September we have arranged the Topper Talk second session with Kaustubh Pawar. Pharma Intelligence, it is the team that will also arrange the daily quiz on Instagram. So now I request to all participants, please join Pharma Intelligence on Instagram also. And up till now, more than 2,000 uh, students are connected with Pharma Intelligence. Now they will get the right path to crack the GPAT, NIPER, and also the GATB. After that, I would like to introduce Amrutvani College of Pharmacy Principal Dr. M.J. Chavan. College has established in 2004 and accredited by NBA. College is committed to innovative educations, and under the guidance of Principal Sir, we are sincerely attempting to boost awareness of students through academics and activity. College having a well-established network of alumni, it is our pride that students giving a overwhelming response to Amrutvani College of Pharmacy, not only for B Farm, for M Farm also. And those students want to excel their career in research, college having a PhD program also. Now, I welcome Ms. Sanjivani Pathak, first year MTech students at ICT and secure All India Rank 5 in CEB 2019. That is the common entrance exam for BioTech. So, and now it is the GATB. So, because of that, we arrange this session for GATB aspirants, and it will be a motivating, encouraging, and impactful interactive session for GPAT aspirants. Now, I conclude, I would like to express my appreciation to Dr. M.J. Chavan sir for providing excellent opportunity to host this webinar. And once again, I welcome you all. Sincerely hope that you will enjoy this session, and I am sure that you will have a rewarding experience through this session. So I request Ms. Sanjivani, please start the session.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, let me thank Pharma Intelligence and Amrutvahini College of Pharmacy for giving me this opportunity to help GATB aspirants. On organizers' demand, I will be explaining it both English as well as Marathi. So let's get started. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how to prepare for GATB, that is Ceeb 2021. Let us go to exam pattern first. The exam is divided in two parts, part A and part B. Now part A, you have to attempt all 60 questions which carry 1 mark each for correct answer and half mark will be deducted for a wrong answer. पार्ट ए मध्ये तुम्हाला 60 कंपल्सरी क्वेश्चन्स अटेम्प्ट करायचे, त्याच्यापैकी बरोबर आलं तर 1 पॉइंट आहे आणि जर चुकलं तर अर्धा मार्क कापला जाणार आहे. सो पार्ट ए इज हॅव्हिंग टोटल 60 मार्क्स. देन पार्ट बी contains 100 questions, out of which you have to attempt only 60. Correct answers will be given 3 marks and each wrong answer will be having -1. This makes total part B of 180 marks. पार्ट बी मध्ये तुम्हाला 100 पैकी 60 सोडवायचे, कुठलेही 60. जर बरोबर आलं तर 3 मार्क तुम्हाला मिळतील आणि जर चुकलं तर -1 होणार. त्यामुळे पार्ट बी 180 आहे. सो दिस मेक्स अ टोटल ऑफ 240 मार्क्स एक्झाम फॉर 120 क्वेश्चन्स. Now this is a simple calculation. In 180 minutes, that is in 3 hours, you have to solve 120 questions. This means for one question you are having 1.5 minutes. जर 120 प्रश्नाला 180 मिनिट्स मिळत असतील तर एका प्रश्नाला तुम्हाला 1.5 मिनिटं मिळतोय. नाउ इफ यू सॉल्व ॲटलीस्ट 30 क्वेश्चन्स इन 1 मिनिट इच, यू गेट 15 मिनिट्स एक्स्ट्रा फॉर अदर क्वेश्चन्स. हे सोपं आहे. त्यामुळे जितकी तुमची तयारी चांगली असेल तितके तुम्ही प्रश्न लवकर सोडवाल आणि तुम्हाला अवघड प्रश्नांना जास्त वेळ देता येईल. हेन्स यू नीड टू प्रिपेअर व्हेरी नाईसली. Now I know that the GATB syllabus is having two parts, part A and part B. But this is my way of planning. I am telling you how to plan. Let us divide the syllabus into 3 parts. Okay. Part A we will keep same as it is. 11th 12th basics. You have an idea of it. Part A मध्ये 11वी 12वीचं सगळं आहे. तुम्हाला एक आयडिया आहे, त्याची तुमचा अभ्यास एकदा करून झालाय. So we will keep those topics in part A. What it contains: 5 kingdom system and hierarchy, botany related topics. It contains 4 chapters under botany, animal tissues, genetics and biotechnology. This part you have to study in deep in other parts also. Control and coordination, osmoregulation, human reproduction, health and diseases. This is a combination of 4 chapters. आता हे सगळे टॉपिक मी फक्त वरच्यावरती एका शब्दामध्ये हेडिंग लिहिलंय. याच्या अंडर 2-3 चॅप्टर्स असू शकतात आणि हे टॉपिक पार्ट ए मधले खूप महत्वाचे आहेत. Now part B from the GATB syllabus, we will divide it into 2 parts. Part B, topics which you must have studied in undergraduates. तुमचा आत्ताचा 4 year अंडरग्रॅज्युएट कोर्स मध्ये तुमचे काही टॉपिक अभ्यास करून झाले असतील. अँड पार्ट सी, टॉपिक्स विच मे बी न्यू फॉर यू, जे टॉपिक्स तुमच्यासाठी अगदीच नवीन आहेत अभ्यास करायला. व्हॉट कम्स अंडर पार्ट बी? बायोमॉलिक्युल्स, व्हायरसेस, सेल टाइप्स, सायकल अँड ग्रोथ, genes and chromosome, analytical techniques and immunology. Then in part C, immunology, bioinformatics, genetic engineering, cell culture and kinetics, chemical engineering principles, bioprocessing principles, tissue culture techniques, applications and examples. Now if you can see, I have kept immunology in both the sections. Why? Because some part of immunology you learn in your undergraduates under anatomy or physiology part, and there is some part of immunology which will be new for you. त्यामुळे इम्युनॉलॉजी हा पार्ट तुम्ही दोन्ही ठिकाणी ठेवू शकता. तुम्हाला हवं तसे सब्जेक्ट रिअरेंज करू शकता. You can arrange some topics as per you, because not only B.Pharm, B.Tech students will be giving this exam. So let us divide it into 3 sections and see how you can plan it. Now part A highlights. There are many students who asked me what exactly you have to study in 11th and 12th parts. Okay, yes, one more thing. In part A here, 11th and 12th basics, I have mentioned here only biology related topics. But you have to study physics, chemistry and mathematics also. But what you should focus on is, in physics and chemistry, focus on the major laws and equations and some phenomena which are really important. And in mathematics, you try to make a list or get a list of formulae which are really important. Like there are 4 major for differentiation, 4 major for continuity. Make it short, crisp, and then study. These are the highlighting parts. And the ones I have enlisted are the major parts. Now highlights from the part A, that is 11th and 12th basics. First is all examples of microorganisms under various topics. Now topics like fermentation and all contain examples of many things, like Saccharomyces cerevisiae produces what, acetic acid produced by whom. Examples are like that. So keep in mind, you have to study everything. Then plant hormones, human skeleton and locomotion. This is chapter 14 from 11th biology, and you will find this chapter or this topic is not repeated anywhere under your undergraduate study. So please read this chapter very thoroughly. Then respiratory volumes from human respiration chapter, important enzymes, important crop varieties, energy balances. Under energy balances, there are cycles like Krebs cycle, glycolysis. So keep in mind how much ATP is produced from which cycle and the total energy balance. This is what you should learn from that topic. Then highlighted terms and information about them. Entire textbooks of biology will contain some highlighted topics in red. Those terms are really important, and please have information about them. Now we will come to part B and C. These are the parts you will have to learn in real detail. So these are the books which I would recommend you to read. I have myself used this. So the one I have mentioned in the center, Get Biotechnology by GK Publications, is a very, very useful book. It covers almost all chapters mentioned in the syllabus. I have used it myself. So be sure to read that book. Then R.C. Dubey, a textbook of biotechnology by R.C. Dubey, is also a good book. Some students asked me any book for bioinformatics. So तुम्हाला बायोइन्फॉर्मॅटिक्स एकदम डीप मध्ये वाचायची गरज नाहीये. दिस बुक कंटेन्स अ गुड content about bioinformatics. There is a chapter in that book, and that will be sufficient. Bioprocess engineering principles, Pauline M. Doron is the best book. Then for microbiology, you can refer Ananta Narayan or Pelzar. Both books are good. Also, you need not read every book completely. See which topics are well elaborated in books, and you can plan your studies accordingly. Now this is the most important part, time management. Let me tell you, planning is the secret to this success. You cannot crack any CET without planning. तुम्हाला नीट वेळ प्लॅन नाही करता आला, टॉपिक्स प्लॅन नाही करता आले तर खूप अवघड होऊन बसेल. सो कन्सिडर 8 months प्रिपरेशन टाइम. आता आपण असं कन्सिडर करू की ही एक्झाम जशी सीब मे मध्ये व्हायची तशीच ही एक्झाम मे मध्ये होईल. इफ यू कन्सिडर द एक्झाम विल बी इन मे 2021, just leave the remaining September days and suppose you will start studying from 1st of October. You have 8 months for preparation. Always keep one entire month for revision. You need to read everything again, the underlined points, the highlighted points, you will have to read it again. So keep entire 1 month for that revision. So actually for reading first time you have 7 months, means 28 weeks. Now this is how you have to plan entire week. आता ही माझी पद्धत आहे. You can have any other method, but I am just suggesting how it can be helpful. So divide 1 week accordingly. Sunday plus 3 days plus 3 days. Suppose Sunday you keep only for group A. आता 11वी-12वी तर तुमचं याआधी सुद्धा वाचून झालं एकदा. So it will be better if you assign 1 day per week for those topics. So decide that Sunday you will give for only group A. The next 3 days give for group B. You will study topics from group B in those 3 days. Again, in next 3 days, you will study topics from group C. This is how in every week you will be in touch with all the corners of the syllabus and you will be able to cover everything equally. असं प्लॅनिंग केलं तर तुमचा सिलेबस मधल्या प्रत्येक टॉपिकशी कनेक्शन राहील आणि एखादा पूर्ण सेक्शन राहून गेला असं होणार नाही. यू विल बी इन टच विथ एव्हरीथिंग. सो दिस कॅन रिअली हेल्प यू. आणि समजा परीक्षा पुढे ढकलली गेली किंवा तुम्हाला पूर्ण 12 मंथ्स मिळाले अभ्यासाला, तर यू कॅन प्लॅन रिअली वेल. अँड especially for the third year students of BTech or B Pharm who are watching this, please start studying right now. If you start preparing from third year itself, you can plan other exams also in this schedule. Okay, you can cover a major chunk of GATB syllabus in third year itself so that you can give other exams including university exams in final year and everything will be managed very smoothly. Next is preparation tips. This is the most important topic. Plan well to succeed. मी आधीच सांगितलं, प्लॅनिंग करा. You cannot simply start reading a topic and you can keep reading. No, you should have a target. For how much time should I read this topic? For how much time, within how many days should I cover this topic? You should have a target. Set targets for yourself and that will be done only using planning. So plan well to succeed. Read as much as you can. Most important. जितकं वाचता येईल तितकं जास्त वाचा. सिलेबस कव्हर करणं अवघड होऊन बसतं, कारण कॉलेज सुरू झालं तर इतर पण खूप गोष्टी असतात. सो रीड ॲज मच ॲज यू कॅन. ऑल टॉपिक्स आर इक्वली इम्पॉर्टंट. वाय डिड आय मेन्शन दिस? बिकॉज there are many students who ask me, madam, tell us which are the important topics from the GATB syllabus. So let me tell you, there is no topic which is less important and no topic which is very much important. Everything is important. The topics which are asked before can be asked again. Questions are repeated rarely, but topics can be asked again. So all topics are equally important. Don't underestimate any topic. कुठलाही टॉपिक साइडला ठेवायचा नाहीये. Then never invest much time in previous year question papers. This is the mistake almost every student does and I want to explain it very nicely here. काय होतं, तुम्ही प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन पेपर वाचला ना की तुम्ही त्या पेपरला टार्गेट करता. You should refer 1 or 2 papers for getting an idea of the difficulty level of exam. But please don't invest time in solving those papers. Don't struggle for those papers. Okay, what happens? Your focus changes. You start studying topics which you found hard in those papers rather than studying for the ultimate exam. You should cover everything and not that paper. So please don't invest much time in previous year question papers. It is good if you have a look of those papers, but please, reading is more important. Next and another important point, do not practice MCQs unless you cover the concepts properly. मी खूप जणांना बघितलंय, from day one of the preparation people start solving MCQs. No, this is false. Don't do it. जर तुम्ही वाचलंच नाही तर तुम्हाला नॉलेज येणार नाही आणि तुम्हाला MCQs पण येणार नाहीत. This will lead to stress, nothing else. Please focus on covering the topics first, get your concepts clear and then solve MCQs. And it may happen that until the exam time, you don't get time to solve MCQs. That is completely okay. You won't believe I did not solve a single MCQ. It doesn't matter. You should have complete knowledge. That's it. Try to cover the syllabus. That is the main task. Read everything and read topic 2 or 3 times. Revision is very important. Even after revision, you get time to solve MCQs. It's okay. But please don't solve MCQs for days and days. Okay, give reading the first preference. Then use tables and charts from MCQ books. Yes, this is how you can use MCQ books rather than investing so much of time in solving MCQs. You can use the tables and charts from those books for quick revision and quick studies. Then make your own charts and short forms. You can make mnemonics and short forms, and this is how you can remember many things. This is especially needed in biology. स्वतःचे चार्ट बनवले तर अभ्यास जास्त छान होतो. Then ask a teacher or a senior to mentor the direction of your study. एक मेंटर किंवा गाईड असणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. It can be a teacher or it can be a senior or your friend who has given it before. But please ask someone to monitor your progress so that you won't get misguided at any time. Now, how to approach the right answer? Now, I have 3 steps to solve MCQ, which will increase the chances of you for taking the correct answer. Now, first what you do, you read the question, then try to remember the answer without looking at the options. Okay, you will find this weird, but this works. Try to remember the answer without looking at question. प्रश्न वाचा आणि ऑप्शन्स न बघता त्याचं उत्तर आठवायचा प्रयत्न करा आधी. What will happen? Sometimes you get confused after looking at the options. Even though you know the correct answer, you have remembered the correct answer, you end up taking the wrong one. So you can avoid it. And if you're not able to remember, then you will have to see the options and take the correct answer. Now, suppose you are confused and you cannot understand which is the correct answer, try to recognize which are the incorrect options. काय उत्तर येऊ शकत नाही हे आधी आयडेंटिफाय करायचा प्रयत्न करा. And suppose out of 4 questions, at least you know that these two, B and C, cannot be the answer, then okay, again you are approaching the correct answer. This is how you can try to get the correct answer. This is the last and most important. Always aim for rank 1. Always 100% मार्क मिळवायलाच अभ्यास करा. There are many people who say, even if we qualify, it's okay. क्वालिफाय झालं तरी बास आहे असं खूप जण म्हणतात, पण असे लोक क्वालिफाय होत नसतात. खरंच सांगते. ऑलवेज एम फॉर रँक 1. ऑलवेज स्टडी हार्ड. Stay motivated and focused. It will happen many times that you will set a target for yourself and you won't be able to cover it. But don't lose hope. Stay focused and stay motivated. Be hardworking and dedicated. Hard work is the most important thing and you should be dedicated. This demands dedication. And at the end, see what basketball coach Tim Knox said. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. So keep this in mind and thank you so much. I wish all the best for the students. If you get any doubts after this session or even after this day, you can join me on LinkedIn. I have displayed the QR code and I'm open to any questions. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjivani, for the wonderful session. We will take some question. Those people are ask some question in common chat box. So,
Okay.
first question for myself. I did my bachelor from B Farm, bachelor in pharmacy, and then I changed the field. So, what about your thinking about the changing the field to change our core field to biotechnology, or this? You can elaborate.
Yes. When I was in 3rd year, we had biotechnology in our syllabus, same 5, and I found that really interesting. So I decided that I want to continue making medicines, but I will change the way. I will shift from drug synthesis to biotechnology. I was interested in vaccine and antibodies. So that is how I somehow found courses regarding biotechnology in pharmacy, and I found.
Okay. So we'll think some question is there in common chat box. There is no question, I think. Bharat, is there any question in common chat box? Please. So people are saying that very informative session. Thank you for the session.
Thank you.
Yes. People are showing their gratitudes. I'm displaying it.
So what about you can explain about the colleges and what is the prestigious college for biotechnology, which college is offering after the B Farm for MTech degree in biotechnology, bioprocess, or like this. There is a in brochure also, but there is some important colleges, so you can talk about that also.
Yes, I have. I went through many colleges. Out of that, I think ICT is the best one because even I found the pharmaceutical biotechnology course very relevant to my needs. I went through the syllabus. ICT has bioprocess technology, food biotechnology, and pharmaceutical biotechnology. And also there are courses in another colleges also, but because I wanted ICT, so I focused on that.
Okay.
You can do
There is one
biotechnology in
question.
NIPER also.
Yeah, NIPER,
Okay.
Anna University also offering, other
Yes.
some colleges also offering, but ICT is the best.
Indraprastha University
So
also has.
I am also with the from the ICT. So one
It's my experience. ICT is really good.
one question is from Shraddha Dige. Which
Okay.
60 question we have to select out of 100 question? Is there any section like GATE?
No, I don't think there is any section because even during our exam we had to attempt 70 out of 100, and you just have to go through it. But please go according to the procedure I gave while solving MCQs. That will prevent any wrong answers. There is no as such selection. See in which questions you find yourself confident and move on.
Expected. Another question is that from Sayed Ansari. Expect cutoff of GATE B 2020. It's this year.
No,
It's still
actually
exam didn't.
it will be wrong to predict a cutoff because this year they have introduced negative marking and they have changed the syllabus also. It is quite similar to GATE. Last year's cutoff was 53, score 53 for ICT, at least I know, but it cannot be predicted this year because everything is changed.
Okay. So our CMB is asking that if first year student want to study for Ceeb, how can they prepare from first
Okay,
year?
this is a very nice question, Sanjay sir. It will be really good if students start focusing from first year itself. They can cover the entire part in first 2 years, and they can cover part B as per my planning, part B in 1 year and part C in next year. That will be really, really nice if they do so.
Okay, then it's thank you for the session. Thank you very much from
Thank you so much.
Pharma Intelligence and Amrutwani College of Pharmacy. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to guide students.
Okay. Now, thank you to Ms. Sanjivani Pathak for sharing valuable thoughts and experience with our students and giving some informative information regarding the GATB. So, in that important books, also the time management and preparation tips for CEB or GATB, and also the do's and don'ts. That is, you have to prepare the mentors or while selecting the questions, approach of the answers or hard work, dedication, that all things you have shared, and what you have to don't, that is the don't solve the previous question papers, okay, and don't solve the MCQs. If you cover the syllabus, you can solve. If you not cover the syllabus, then don't try to do this. So thank you, Ms. Sanjeevani. Also thank to Pharma Intelligence team, especially Mr. Sanjay Malge, then Ajit Kotkar, and for background, Mr. Varat. Also, I like to say thanks to second year, third year, and final year students for attending this program and also sharing the key post on social media. So, especially thank to second year, third year, and final students for sharing this information on social sites. And again, I thank to the principal, Dr. M.G. Chavan sir, for granting permission and giving guidance to the success of this program. So now I declare that webinar is over, and thank you to everyone. Thank you.